Hey everyone, I am going to show you guys how to use Yahoo Finance to look up your historical stock prices for today's activity. So what you guys are going to want to do is navigate over to yahoofinance.com. And once you guys are there, if you scroll down, there is a stock lookup section where you guys can search stocks in two ways. You can simply search the name, and a drop down list will appear where you can select the company that you are looking for, or you can search by ticker symbol. So Nike's ticker symbol would be NKE. So either one of these ways is going to work. So I'm going to go ahead and select Nike. And for this project, we are going to be interested in the historical price for the 3 stocks on your birthday activity. So you're going to be automatically directed to the stock quote where you're going to find information about the stock today. But what we want to focus on is the historical data section. So we're going to go ahead and select that. And this is going to allow us to look up stock prices over the length of the entire time the stock has been public. Now, by default, you're going to see 1 year's worth of stock data. So you guys can scroll down and see all the days within the last year. But what we're going to want to do is drop this menu down, and we are going to want to adjust the dates so that we can find the stock price on your birthday every year, starting with your 10th birthday. So what we'll do, here's my tip, is the start date, I would say start a few days before your birthday. So if my birthday was on April 11th, I'm going to go ahead and say April 8th. And if I turned 10 on in 2014, then I'm going to select 2014. For the end date, since my birthday is on the 11th, I'm going to set it to the 13th, and I'm still going to use 2014. So I'm narrowing that search down quite a bit. And we're going to repeat these steps for every year. So I have April 8th to 2014 and April 13th to 2014. I'm going to go ahead and click done, and then I'm going to apply this filter. Notice the list is going to get significantly shorter. Notice April 11th is there. The price that you are going to focus on is the adjusted close. So if I turn 10 on April 11th of 2014, I'm going to use the price for Nike at $32.95. So I would write down that price. Let's go ahead and go back up to the filters. Now I'm going to leave the dates the same because I want that range. And I'm going to go ahead to the next date. So I'm going to put 2015 to 2015. I'm going to hit done. I'm going to hit apply again. I'm going to get new results. Now notice April 11th is not on this list. What that's going to signify is April 11th may have fallen on a Saturday or Sunday. When that happens, just use the date closest to your birthday. So now I have April 10th. That is the closest to 11. So I'm going to use the adjusted close of $46.79. And we're going to go back and do it again. So we'll change it to 2016. 2016, hit done, hit apply again, and we're going to go ahead and find April 11th on 2016, and here it is. So 54.77, we would record that number, and you would repeat those steps for every year on your birthday. So it is simple as dropping down the filter, selecting a range. So I would do a few days before your birthday, a few days after, and then you would just keep adjusting that year to shrink down those results, making it a little bit easier to find. Okay, hope this video helps. If you guys need anything else, just ask.